In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see sold items on eBay using a market research tool. If you're looking to get the best deals or understand market trends, this is an absolute must-know for anyone interested in buying or selling on eBay. First, head over to ebay.com. Once there, you'll see the familiar search bar prominently displayed at the top of the home page. This search bar is your gateway to finding out what items have actually sold on the platform. So go ahead and type in the product you're curious about. It could be anything from vintage records to the latest smartphone models, or maybe something unique you're aspiring to sell yourself. Once you hit search, eBay will take you to the search results page, displaying countless listings relevant to your query. But we're not stopping here. To get to the valuable data that tells us what's really moving in the market, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll need to scroll down a bit to locate this section. As you explore the sidebar, you'll notice a section labeled Show Only. This is where the magic happens. In the Show Only section, you'll see an option for sold items. Go ahead and check that box. When you do this, eBay automatically checks another box for completed items. This combination is what refines your search to show only items that have definitively sold, giving you the clearest picture of actual market transactions. With those boxes checked, the page will refresh, and voila! The displayed results now consist only of products that have successfully sold. This updated list provides critical insights such as final sale prices, allowing you to gauge how much people are willing to pay for similar items. You'll also see sale dates, which give you an indication of how frequently these transactions are occurring, not to mention buyer demand trends that can highlight the popularity of different categories or specific items. This process could be incredibly beneficial for comparing by showcasing real sales data right at your fingertips. Whether you're considering entering the e-commerce scene or simply curious about whether holding on to those old collectibles is worth it, this simple step transforms eBay into a powerful market research tool. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use eBay's sold listings to carry out thorough market analysis. Whether you're a seasoned seller, a savvy buyer, or just starting to explore opportunities online, knowing what sells and for how much can significantly influence your decision-making process. So next time you browse eBay, remember to utilize this feature to stay informed and make well-grounded choices. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your eBay exploration.